Hey, welcome to another episode of the Monday Marketing Minute.
If you manage a website, listen up. This week we're going to talk about something that can keep you out of trouble.
All right, let's get serious for a second. The number of website accessibility lawsuits filed in federal court for lack of compliance exploded in 2018 to at least 2,258, increasing 177% over 2017. It's insane, right?
It really is, and that number is just going to continue to grow as long as companies keep ignoring website accessibility.
If you aren't familiar with ADA regulations, it covers a number of items that you need to ensure that your website complies with in order to allow users with disabilities to access the information on your site easily.
For example, someone who's visually impaired may come to your site with a screen reader. If it's not set up correctly with the proper alt tags, the user's not going to be able to see the full experience, and then you're not compliant.
Absolutely. We've got lots of information about this newest WCAG guidelines over on our site if you want to check them out. But for the sake of time, here are 2 free tools we love.
Yeah, the first one is the Chrome browser tool, and you can find that under the development tools.
There are a number of different audits you can conduct using the Chrome browser tool on your site.
The other tool we would like to use for a quick overview of a site's accessibility is the Wave tool, and you can get that at wave.webaim.org.
For this audit, you just need the URL of the web page you are running the audit on and pop it into the URL bar in the tool, and then you go.
Wave likes to break down the audit into a summary and sorts issues by different categories such as errors, alerts, and contrast errors.
One thing to keep in mind is that no tool can detect all the errors on your site. So if you're concerned about the accessibility of your website, it's best if you work with a professional who is up to date with the newest regulations.
Hey, and lucky for you, that's something that we do.
Thanks for tuning in. See you next time for another edition of the Monday Marketing Minute.